In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Jira, restore it, and delete it. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply trying to keep things organized, knowing how to archive, restore, or remove projects can be an essential part of your workflow. Let's start by discussing how to archive a project. First, navigate to the Projects section, which you'll find on the left panel of your Jira dashboard. This area displays a list of your current projects. Scroll through this list to locate the specific project you'd like to archive. Once you've found it, you'll notice three small dots next to the project's name. This is what we usually call the More Options menu. When you click on these three dots, you'll see an option to archive that project. Go ahead and select this option. When you click to archive, a prompt will pop up, asking you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it ensures no projects are accidentally archived. Take a moment to review and verify that you indeed wish to archive this specific project. Now, suppose you later decide that you want to restore a project that you've previously archived. To tackle this, start by clicking on the Settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, navigate again to the Projects section, and this time, select the Archive tab. This tab contains a list of all your archived projects that are ready to be brought back to life. Scroll through this list to find the project you wish to reinstate to active status. Once again, click on the three dots next to the project's name. However, this time, choose the Restore option. Just like that, your project will make its way back into your active projects list and be ready for use. Finally, let's cover how to delete a project. The process is similar to archiving. Start by accessing the projects area and find the project you wish to delete from your list. Click on those familiar three dots next to the project's name, and you'll see an option labeled Move to Trash. Selecting this will kick off the deletion process. As a safeguard, Jira will prompt you to confirm your choice. This is your chance to double-check your selection to ensure that you're prepared to remove the project permanently. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm. Following confirmation, your project will be moved to the trash and will no longer appear in your active or archived projects. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your projects within Jira. Archiving helps maintain a clutter-free workspace, restoring provides flexibility for any changing priorities, and deleting ensures that unwanted or obsolete projects do not linger around. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'd be happy to help. That's all for now. Happy project managing!